Hello, this is Benjamin of Dealer Spike. Today we'll be going over the menus that you see in the Spark editor. First, we'll start over on the left. First menu item that you'll see is actually this search. If you can't seem to find what you're looking for, you can use the search dashboard, month to date. Up top, a small snippet of information of traffic as it moves across your site. Quick links, leads by source, percentages of leads are coming across your site. Sites contains either your temporary build site or permanent live site link that will open a new tab of your browser. Domains that you've got, and if you have any redirects components, allows you to change some of the visual sections of your home page and other internal pages of your site. Layouts allows you to make changes and rearrange those block content. Editors, that will allow work with blog tool, and technical support, request and update, total lead count by source. Performance. Website performance is a very detailed measure of the traffic that is going across your site and different types. Visitor acquisition tells you where your visitor is coming from. Engagement analytics on the site, what pages they are visiting. Inventory analytics of what units are being sold, which ones are getting the most views. Peer benchmarking to compare yourself to other businesses in the area. Digital marketing gives you a readout of the digital marketing tools, how they work, and what they are doing for you. Leads manager, view and respond to leads. Lead hunter and archive of all of the leads that you've had and responses you've had. So if you do need to get back in touch with a customer, most likely their contact information will be in there. Inventory manager allows you to add, edit, delete any part of a large unit you're selling, like a snowmobile or trailer. Product groups takes the year, make, model, first picture, and price and lists it on your homepage to attract more attention to it. Custom manufacturers, types, and styles allows you to enter a unit that we may not have in our database, and that way you're still able to add it and feature and sell it on your site. Product manager, this will allow you to make changes to the product information that you see on the new models or brochures page of your site. Catalogs allows you to choose the manufacturers that you'd like to see on the first page of the new models page on your site. Brand editor allows you to change the order of the manufacturers that you added, as well as within each manufacturer, the types of units in the order underneath each manufacturer. Custom catalogs add in a manufacturer's catalog if you don't have it, so it can be featured on that new models page. And sales, if you do set one or more units on sale while you are in the product manager, all the sales will be displayed on the sales page. That way you don't have to track each one of them down to make changes. They're organized on the same page for you. Reputation management, this is a tool that allows you to see any bad reviews that you've got and will give you the ability to read those reviews, also respond to them. Admin account info is just the name of the person you have in charge, the contact information and address of that business. Users is where you add in the different employees that you want to have access to this tool. Locations is stating your location information, as well as handling when they contact us form or other forms on the site, who those are being emailed to. Hours of operation will allow you to change the hours of operation that's stated both on your About Us or Contact Us page, as well as what appears in the footer or bottom of your site as well. Integrations is for integrations that you have in e-commerce or Lightspeed, Gears, Lizzie, Black Pearl integrations to bring in units from a third-party inventory management system. AI Expert allows you to do some pre-formed questions and answers. If someone asks a specific question about a specific unit on the site, some of the answers you are able to control. Content pages, this allows you to get in and change any written paragraph that you have on the site. Page assets. Page assets are what hold the paragraphs that you have on various pages of your site. You can go in and change where these page assets are displayed, that you're able to show multiple different paragraphs on each page. Navigation is going to edit the top navigation that you have on top of your website at all times. Both the parent links, which are links like home or services, and child links are in the drop down like new or pre-owned inventory. Banners are controlling the large advertising banners that you have somewhere near the top of your website. Control what order they're in, how many of them, add them and delete them. OEM promotions, if you have a relationship with a larger brand, they are going to be posting details about sales that corporate are having, and you want to look at those details. You can do that through OEM promotions. Services will allow you to set the services on your services page, details and pricing. Staff, post the members of your staff, first and last name. You can include an individual bio and a picture. Galleries, picture pictures of your events that you host or events. You tell people the who, what, where, when, and why you're going to be at an event or hosting an event. E-commerce, if you have e-commerce with us, core e-commerce, you may hear other people on my team refer to it as PSS. Going into e-commerce and core e-commerce to control the product brands, types, pricing, taxes, payment gateway. The rest of the items that you see underneath here are part of our legacy e-commerce, so they should not be used. Upper right hand, you also have some other options. You have chat if you want to chat live with technical support members. You have customer portal, which allows you to see any cases you've filed, create a new case, access the help center, which has articles with pictures to get a step-by-step directions all the way through a particular process. You can call technical support the name of your business, which allows you to go to publish changes, takes all the saved changes you have in the editor and pushes them over to the site account info, your name over to the right, which allows you to see your profile information, manage the users out if you need to log out of the system. As I said, my name is Benjamin with DealerSpike, and this has been a brief overview of all of the major menu systems within the Spark editor. Thank you for your time.